Riri mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto athiete na mbere guteterithia wirutiri wa thirikari yake wa guthondeka na gwetha mieke ya mawira kuri mbeu njithi guku bururi-ini na nja wa bururi. Ministry ya uruti wa wira riu ni thundurite mutambo wa KIRIU wa ukinyaniria uria rihuthikaga gukurana mieke ya mawira iria iri kuo undu umwe na kothi iria mbeu njithi mari nacio. Kuringana na mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya uruti wa wira Shadrack Mwadime, mutambo uyu urinyitithanagia mbeu njithi na mieke ya mawira imwe kwa imwe kuringana na umenyo wa wira uria mundu ari naguo.
We've had challenges with some of our employers within who feel that the kind of graduates we are producing sometimes are unable to match the requirements of the industry or the economy at large, and therefore it is important for us to have an inventory of all the skills that we have so as to see whether there are gaps that need to be addressed.
Neogereire kuga ni kumana na data ya thirikari iria yaga kumana na mutambo uyu iri mihotithagia gukurana uria mieke ya mawira irigayagwo hamwe na gukurana Kenya aria maritumagwo mabururi-ini ma nanja makarute wira.
Even those who have fallen on hard times, you know, as you've well explained, those who lost their jobs owing to the wanting economic situation that has been there for the last 2 years. If there is any way we can be able to match the skills that they have with the job opportunities that are opening up even abroad, we will go ahead and do so. So we are not undertaking the inventory basically for the local economy alone, but also for the international labor market that is opening up as it is currently.
Kwa ihinda riri mutambo uyu ni uragerio kaunti-ini cia Nakuru na Mombasa kuria mbeu njithi aria mari na kothi marorio meyandikithie mbere ya urutithitio wira kihinyio kwambiriria tariki 30 mweri uyu.
All unemployed persons are required to register their skills data on the National Skills Inventory. In this regard, the State Department for Internal Security and National Administration shall play a critical role in mobilizing the youth to register their skills on the system.
Mutambo uyu urira matagwo ni ruhonge rwa National Employment Authority Integrated Management Systems. Ginyanagia na riu wagi wa mawira kuri mbeu njithi guku bururi-ini urugamirire gicunje gia 6.6 hari 100 guku mbeu njithi agatagati ka miaka 20 ginyagia miaka 29 ario magumeirwo makiria ni wagi wa mawira.
Asanteni.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.